Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Bajaur, a large numbers of residents of 24 areas of Loi Mohammad and War Mohammad tehsils of Bajaur district on Saturday left their homes to secure themselves in the wake of the ongoing targeted operations against terrorists in the region. Full stop. The residents of 24 areas, mostly of Loi Mohammad Tehsil Kama, evacuated their homes hours after the district administration's deadline to vacate by 10 a.m. on Saturday, August 16, to ensure their safety during the anti-terrorist offensive, said a notification issued by the Deputy Commissioner on August 14. Full stop. The area residents and volunteers of different non-governmental organizations, facilitating the displaced people, told Dan on Saturday that though displacement began soon after the administration's order, but a significant exodus was witnessed on Saturday, the last day of the deadline. Full stop. Beside, the district administration, several non-governmental organizations and well-off people arranged free of cost transport facilities for the displaced people who, along with their different belongings and cattle, were shifted to the relief camps and to their relatives' homes. Full stop. Beside the transport facilities, the district administration and several non-governmental welfare organizations and well-off persons, also established facilitation centers in different areas, providing free of cost food, water and cold drinks to the displaced people. Full stop. It may be mentioned that neither the district administration, nor the PDMA and non-governmental organizations had the updated figures about the displaced people. Full stop. However, according to a PDMA source, the total number of internally displaced person IDPs from the 24 affected areas of Loi and War Mohammad tehsils could swell to 60,000 after the fresh displacements. Full stop. The source told Dan that most of the displaced people had been settled within the district, as most of them were residing in the official relief camps set up in about 200 educational institutions and Bajaur sport complex in Khar full stop.